Every time I give a public presentation, I try to remember to ask the audience to raise their hands if they've ever heard a heterosexual couple having sex. Everyone raises their hand, of course, and then I say, lower your hand if the man was making more noise than the woman. Everybody still has their hand up. The woman almost always makes more noise. Why? Turns out this is true across cultures that have been studied, and it's also very interesting that there are, right this moment, graduate students in jungles all over the world with directional microphones listening to primates having sex up in the treetops, right? And it turns out that the primates in which the females make a lot of noise, female copulatory vocalization is the scientific term, tend to be primates that are more promiscuous. You don't hear female gorillas having sex, or female gibbons, which are monogamous, and the female gorillas, which are polygynous, harem-based system. That's because those species don't have sperm competition. In species that do have sperm competition, the competition between the males to fertilize the female doesn't take place so much on the level of the individual males who would have to fight. It takes place within the female's reproductive tract. So several different males have ejaculated into this woman in any given ovulatory cycle, and their sperm cells fight it out with a lot of assistance from her reproductive system, picking and choosing between the sperm cells of the different men based upon very complex chemical processes happening within her reproductive system. So the female copulatory vocalization not only attracts more men to the party or the orgy or whatever's happening, but it also gives information. In some species, primatologists have found that the female copulatory vocalizations actually carry a lot of information. They say the rank or the status in the male hierarchy of the male she's having sex with contains information about her rank in the hierarchy. Also, in some cases, contains information about the rank of other females who may be nearby. So there's a lot of information going out in these screams, at least in those species. Among humans, there's still a lot of work to be done.